it's MJ, your fridge-free bestie and self-proclaimed dinner escape artist. So today I'm testing something that just might blow your mind. Can you actually bake a cake on a stovetop instead of inside the oven? I'm testing this amazing stovetop oven from Amazon, link below, to see if it actually works, because I'm a little skeptical. But when the power goes out, or you're in a camper, or you're just tired of turning on your entire oven to bake a small thing, this thing looks like it might come in handy. When the power's out, you still got a party, right? So here's what I did. I made my normal blueberry muffins using all shelf-stable ingredients. Check out my blueberry muffin recipe. And I plopped it into a greased cake pan. Well, the muffin pan wouldn't fit. So, and let's be honest, muffins are closer to dessert than breakfast, but we won't talk about that right now. Next, I turned the stove on medium-high and slid my stovetop oven right over the flame. Then I opened the top, which is a really cool feature, and placed my cake right on the top rack and closed the lid and set the timer for 30 minutes. Minute 10, it's smelling amazing. Minute 20, it's starting to rise. The edges are getting cooked. By minute 30, not quite cooked, maybe another 10 more minutes, but it's looking good. 40 minutes, it's looking beautiful. Pass the toothpick test. Now for the taste test. Plop her open, cut her open, and dive in. Okay, this is so delicious. Y'all, this is perfect cake. I mean muffins. I mean a breakfast of champions. So yes, you can bake a cake on the stovetop when the power goes out, when you're camping, or just for fun. It's perfect for prepping, emergencies, or when the grid decides to take a nap. If you want to see more ways to cook without depending on the fridge, freezer, or the oven, follow me and check out loadedpotato.org, where even in a blackout, we're still eating good. Cheers!